Welcome back, I'm Tedward. Welcome to the 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec. And welcome to beautiful sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I just landed from Boston and my good friend, the Topher, is landing momentarily. I'm gonna go pick him up because Honda left us this killer Integra to take out to Sedona because this weekend we're driving the new Pilot. I'm pretty excited and I think we're gonna get some off-road time. Gonna do some running, some hiking, have some fun, maybe see some friends with some other great cars while we're here. And then we're off to California. I'll tell you more about the trip when we get Chris in the car. I just watched Chris's plane land, which was pretty convenient. This hold lot is actually great. And if you're like an aviation nerd like me, you're looking at Flight Tracker and I can just follow exactly where he is. So he just touched down. Let's go wind our way over to the terminal. Man, I am right at home in this Integra. This is just like my old SI, but nicer. And we've got it in the Type R spec with white paint and red seats. A dig. I love when an airplane crosses a bridge over a roadway. I don't know why, it's such a dumb, childish thing, but that is so cool. Hey, bud. Good to see you.
Hey man, good to see you too.
Oh,
Trunk space.
look at this.
Wow.
The convenience of the Integra.
Still a high ledge.
All right, let's get the hell out of here.
Yeah.
Smash cut to like 2 hours of driving later, we are almost in Sedona. And, you know, coming from Michigan and New England, I was expecting I'm going to Arizona. I'm going to see some beautiful red rocks. And while there are red rocks, they are covered in snow. What is going on? It's 49 degrees. I'm hoping we're still going to be able to get some hiking in while we're out here.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's pretty good though. I don't know that I brought like hiking shoes, but the Integra's been holding up pretty good. We've got 35.6 miles per gallon coming out of this bad boy. This thing just does the job when you need to have like an economical and comfortable ride. Quiets down a little bit when you close that, but it's not bad. But anyway, cut to the chase. We're going out here to drive the new Honda Pilot, so we'll have some embargoed things happening there and we'll launch those videos. Hopefully some pretty intense off-roading.
I'm looking forward to the trail that we're doing on this. They're hyping it up to be a pretty off-road capable SUV, so we'll see.
And it's also got a V6. Now, I hadn't done a whole lot of Pilot research, but I gotta say, I've driven a lot of Hondas lately, and they mostly have been containing this engine.
Yeah.
And there's always this little bit of like nightmare, like, please don't put that in a Pilot.
All I know is that it's a new V6 and it doesn't have VTEC.
So we shall see. Hopefully it sounds as good because the Ridgeline is one of my favorite sounding V6s. It sounds like an old NSX.
It does, yeah.
So that's not it though. Like, we're coming out here for Pilot. We're gonna go out to California with some friends. We've got a substitute Topher, Chris Brower. We've got Charlie of the Daily Motor, and the two of us going out to Malibu. We've rented an Airbnb. We've got a bunch of press cars, which I'm not going to talk about now because I feel like every time I talk about something, I jinx it. And I don't want to jinx it. There's some cool stuff happening, and I want all that cool stuff to happen, and I want to show it to you rather than build it up and then be like, sorry guys, that didn't pan out. Followed by Mazda CX-90 walk around and unveil, followed by a new Honda Accord in Encinitas.
Yeah. You're just living out in California for a couple weeks.
I've got 2 solid weeks. I've packed more in this bag than I have in ages, and I'm like blown away by the scenery out here. I love this.
Entering Sedona.
I've never been here, man. This is all new to me.
I was here a long time ago with my dad. Don't remember much because we went to the Grand Canyon after that. That was way more memorable.
Arizona roads are loud. They are. This is asphalt too. Like the coming out of Phoenix was all concrete and that was brutal. But what on earth? I am just blown away. I get so stressed about travel, and then the second I'm on an airplane, I just don't ever want to be home again. And now I'm here, and all I want to do is explore. This is amazing. So no offense to people who want to go to like amusement parks or Disney World or whatever. I'll probably never be sponsored by Disney, so I don't think I have to worry about this take. But the feeling of driving into a national park or a place like this is just unparalleled. And I would take this over some like concrete man-made thing any day. So the way these press trips work is they fly out, they put you in a nice place, they feed you well, and they set you loose on some pretty cool roads and hopefully trails in this case, because it's an SUV with some off-road capability. And it's great because they always want you to be in like a beautiful location, so that way, A, you're in a good mood when you drive their car. Luckily, we have developed iron fists of unbiased journalism. Skepticism. Yeah. So as much as I love being out here, I'm still gonna be critical of these Honda products. But you know, the best thing is though, you get to go out and take incredible photos in an incredible landscape. And that's where, when you read all these magazines, the Car and Drivers, the Motor Trends, the Road and Tracks, sometimes that photography is just the tag-along photographer who came with the journalist to get the photos of this stuff. And you can thank, you can thank like these types of trips for that sort of coverage. I mean, to me, look at this dog. He's a happy boy. That's a happy dog. He's like, man, I love Sedona. These types of trips, like, man, they make a world of difference of putting a car really in a cool element and getting to experience it where, like, you wish, like, where you dream of driving it.
No, it is cool being able to experience a car in its ideal environment. And not all press trips are ideal driving scenarios. They're not great for filming, they're not great for driving, but usually the better press trips put you in an area where, like, okay, here's where we developed this car to be kind of off-roady or, you know, adventure-oriented, and that's probably what we're going to be doing with this pilot.
It takes the stress. I mean, they could have easily been like, yeah, we're just doing it in LA. Go drive a pilot through traffic. Or, hey, fly into Phoenix. We're going to put you up here. But it just doesn't make sense because now you're stressed about trying to get all your content, your driving impressions, and footage, like beautiful footage, in a place that just doesn't allow for it. So the fact that they bring us to these places is just so incredibly helpful, and it takes all the pressure off of us to go scout, especially in a new place. I love all these homes. They're just like nestled and buried in the landscape.
You don't even really notice them.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
Normally I'd be annoyed that I'm stuck behind a slow person, but the fact that Buick is running is, you know what? You've earned your right to drive 26 miles per hour.
Yep.
Oh, Suzuki Samurai?
Yeah.
Cool.
Something like that. That's cool. Actually, a little bit larger of an area than I thought it was.
This is pretty nuts.
This is Boynton Canyon Trailhead.
All right.
Right there.
Now we know where we're running and hiking.
Yeah. I think we could walk here.
Oh, definitely.
Run here from there or whatever.
Look at this. This is insane.
Yeah. And then there's more up this way too. There's just subway. There's some cool shit up here. Vista Trail. Oh, hell yeah.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
There's some great things.
And here we are, the Enchantment Resort. All right.
12.5 mile per hour resort speed limits.
That'll do it. All right, boys and girls, we're going to go check in, do the thing. Thank you guys so much for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive. We will be keeping in touch because we've got a lot to show you over the next couple weeks. See you soon.